A very famous quote known to us that eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. But most of us follow this quote in reverse. That is, we breakfast like a pauper, lunch like a prince, and dine like a king. Eating a balanced and a healthy diet is very crucial to maintaining the physical health. The correct diet not only helps you to maintain your weight but overall fitness. However, while many of us has embraced eating the right food, we still make one major mistake. Nowadays, everyone is busy in their life and don't have time to pay attention to the health. Because of this, people are suffering from several diseases. However, irregular timing of food consumption result in some severe health issues. Several people tend to eat dinner after or around 9 pm, some even as late as 10 or 11 pm. There are many reasons for this. People often return home late from work or have other duties to attend to. Fortunately, if we slightly change our dinner time, we can get a magical changes in our health. However, a lot of people are not even aware that eating before 7 pm can change your life, your body, and your health. Advantages of early dinner are undoubtedly going to surprise you. Why is eating before 7 pm is so important? When you eat is as important as what you eat. Having an early dinner is a very important part of maintaining a healthy body. Our bodies are not meant to digest food late at night. If you talk to your grandparents or elders, you will realize that people used to eat dinner early in the past. Eating before 7 pm has many benefits. It helps you sleep better, improves digestion, aids in weight loss, and much more. Here are the few advantages of eating early. Number 1. Better digestion. When you eat late, you don't allow your digestive system enough time to digest food. There must be substantial amount of gap between your dinner and when you go to sleep. If you eat late, this gap is reduced. As a result, it can cause indigestion or the heartburn. An early dinner is a good for digestion, and anything that is good for digestion aid in weight loss. It is said that the body is wired to the movement of the sun. The later we eat, more are the chances of food lying in the intestine affecting the digestion. Second, better sleep quality. Sleep quality will be much better. Since there is a gap of 2-3 hours between our last meal and our sleep, the primary digestion has already taken place and the digestive system won't be working overnight during sleep. Hence, the digestive system get much required rest. Moreover, this practice also reduces oversleeping. The body system work less, get the required rest, and thus need less time to recapturate and work more efficiently. Third, weight loss. When there is a good amount of gap between your dinner and your breakfast, it aids in weight loss. What eating before 7 pm does is that it creates a chances for your body to use your body fat to generate energy as you sleep, leading to the fat burn as a result. This is the process that has given rise to the idea of intermittent fasting, when one is advised to keep a 14 to 16 hour gap between their dinner and the breakfast. This practice helps to reduce the weight loss and trigger the metabolism. There have been several studies that have proven the above stated fact. This practice automatically led to the intermittent fasting. During the state of fasting, the body fulfills its energy demand from the stored body fat instead of the glucose in the fat state. Therefore, metabolism is triggered, which led to a better weight management. Number 4. Relief from the constipation. If you are suffering from the constipation, this practice should improve your chances for a better dump significantly. A properly rested digestive system led to a much healthier excretory system. This practice would also help people fighting with the floatants. Number 5. Feel energetic. You feel lighter and more energetic in the morning. There is a less trouble waking up. You wake up early and utilize the most productive time of the day. Your workout session or your yoga practice, all activities will be more fruitful and productive. Additionally, you become more flexible too. Number 6. Better appetite. You will not be skipping the most important meal of the day, that is breakfast for sure. Moreover, your overall appetite becomes more balanced. As stated earlier, the age-old proverb say, breakfast like a king, have lunch like a commoner, and the dine like a pauper. This advice is excellent one for healthy dietary habits. Number 7. Relief from acid reflux. Eating your dinner late means that your body does not have the time to burn all those extra calories. When we eat just before the bedtime, it can trigger acid reflux, that is, burning sensation near the chest region. Research proves that people who take their dinner 3 hours before sleep have the least possibility with this problem.